Good morning everyone. How are you? Again I am here to explain our chapter Boli. Actually the chapter will not get its end within 1 day or 2 days. Is that clear? I am teaching you with I am working very hard for you. So that is why you should listen that not only for 1 day, 2 day, whenever it is completed, I will teach this chapter. Okay. So we have discussed yesterday we have discussed about the life of Bholi. Yes, she was innocent girl, unable to speak properly. She was stammering while speaking. She was stammering. Understand? She used to stammer, and after that, I have also given you the complete introduction of the family. That there were 7 children. Understand? How many? 7 children, boys and girls be. And boys were getting education in the city, and the girls was going to be married. Okay, and only one children was there. That was Bholi, who was known as a backward, slow learner. Okay, now she was a backward child. Is that clear? So, and we also discussed about the family that Ramlal was the father of Bholi and his mother also. Understand? And they were not giving any importance to Bholi. Bholi को कोई importance नहीं दे रहे थे. They were not giving any importance to Bholi because she was a backward child and she was not beautiful. I also explained you about that. Why she was not beautiful? Because in her childhood she had a disease and she completely, we can say, disfigured her body. Understand? That is why she was not so beautiful. And some discussion was also related to her family that she used to wear the shabby clothes. Shabby clothes भी पहनती थी वो. That was used by her sister. अच्छे कपड़े नहीं थे उसकी बच्ची के, है ना? She was not wearing good clothes. Okay. And one day his life was going to take turn. It was very good for her that school was open in her village, especially for the girls. इसके लिए girls के लिए school खोला गया. And the Tahsildar has given this responsibility to whom? To whom did he have given the responsibility? To Bholi's father. That you should motivate the children to come in the school. So, जो रामलाल था, he was unable to disobey him. उसको disobey कर नहीं सकता. Then Ramlal was discussing with his wife. अपनी wife से discuss कर रहा था. And wife suggested him that Bholi should go to school because nobody will get married with Bholi. There are no chance. कोई chance भी नहीं है. So that is why we should send Bholi. And what she was saying more about that? कि if the girl would get education, nobody will marry with the girl. In that same way it was going. Then he was taking Bholi. तो उसको हाथ पकड़ के ले जा रहा था. And what she was thinking? Bholi क्या सोच रही थी? She was thinking about the cow. Her name was what? What was the name of the cow? Lakshmi. Lakshmi was the name of the cow. वो सोच रही थी कि लक्ष्मी को लेके गए थे and Lakshmi never returned to the home. And what that will also happen with me, that Lakshmi in that same way. Understand, children? Written by K. Abbas. Explain you. Yesterday also given some meanings. Today I am also giving you some meanings. Okay. There are a lot of meanings, but these are the important meanings. You should use them. Meaning, while you will study, you will make your study at your home. You should use them. So now, and she used to wear the clothes of her sister. यहाँ तक अपना हो गया था. After that, when they reached the school, the children were already in their classroom. When they reached the school, where were the children? They were in the classroom. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmistress. To whom he had handed over the daughter? To the headmistress. Okay, now? He had handed over the daughter to headmistress. The poor girl, बेचारी लड़की, यहाँ पे poor गरीब से नहीं होता, बेचारी. Look about her with leaden eyes. She was looking about her To whom she was looking? Toward the teacher. There were several rooms. Lot of rooms were there. School था, rooms तो होंगे. And in each room, girls like her squatted on mats. And what they were doing? Squatted, to sit with one's knees bent. Got it? They were squatted, to sit with one's knees bent. अपने knees मोड़कर they were sitting. Understand? And reading from books or writing on slates. And what the girls were doing? They were making their study and they were writing on the slates, as you are also doing the same thing. School mein to we are doing the same thing now. School is for study. Got it? So what we are bringing from in our bags? We are going with our bags, that we are having books and notebooks वगैरह. So, and we are also doing the same thing in the school. The teachers are coming, they are teaching that right now. I am teaching you like that. So the headmistress asked Bholi to sit down in a corner to one of the classroom. And what did the headmistress say to Bholi? She said to her that please beta sit down in the corner in the classroom. Classroom के corner में she had we can say settled herself. Bholi did not know what exactly a school was like and what happened there. Actually, she was not aware about the schools. She was not aware, and she did not know what is a school. कभी गई नहीं, तो how would she know about the schools? Got it? She was not aware about the school, and she also did not know which type of activities are being organized, are conducted there in the school. That is why she was unaware about that. But she was glad to find so many girls almost of her own age. But only one thing that made her happy, that on her own age, like her own age, a lot of girls were there. बहुत सी लड़कियां वहाँ पे थी. She hoped that one of these girls might become her friend. And what she was thinking? What was the hope of Bholi? She was hoping that one of them would be her friend. कि उनमें से कोई उसकी क्या बनेगी? She would be her friend. Is that clear? One of them would be her friend. The lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls. What she was doing? What was the lady teacher doing? थोड़ा सा रुकूंगा. तुम यही सोच रहे ना कि सर ऑनलाइन नहीं पढ़ा रहे, सर वीडियो नहीं बना रहे, हम क्लास में हैं. So what she was doing? Can you make in your mind? She was teaching. This is common sense. The lady teacher was saying in the class, but Bholi could understand nothing. But Bholi was unable to understand. She looked at the picture on the wall. जब बच्चे होते ना छोटे, the little children always attracted by the moving things, pictures. छोटे छोटे बच्चे इसी चीज से अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. जब छोटी क्लासेस में क्या होता है, उनको पिक्चर्स दिखा के पढ़ाया जाता है. अपनी बुक्स के ऊपर जो पिक्चर्स होती है ना, दिस पिक्चर्स आर टू अट्रैक्ट टू द चिल्ड्रन. पीपल जो स्टूडेंट होता है, दिस पिक्चर्स आर मेड ओनली टू अट्रैक्ट द चिल्ड्रन. दैट इज वाई जब एक होती है ओरल, जो होता है मॉडल रीडिंग होती है. मॉडल रीडिंग जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज नोन एज ए मॉडल रीडिंग. एक होती है साइलेंट रीडिंग. अब तुम उस एज में हो दैट यू कैन मेक योर साइलेंट रीडिंग एंड यू कैन स्टडी. बट जब हम 4th में होते हैं, 5th में होते हैं ना, द टीचर यूज टू मेक अ मॉडल रीडिंग. इन दैट सेम वे, तो गर्ल्स जो थी, होली जो थी, शी वॉज ओनली अट्रैक्टेड बाय द पिक्चर्स. कुछ भी हो, पिक्चर्स के बारे में देख रही, वो पिक्चर को देख रही थी. एंड what happened? She looked at the pictures on the wall. The color fascinated her. जो कलर थे उसने उसको प्रभावित किया. The horse was brown, just like the horse on which the Tahsildar had come to visit their village. She had seen horse, and horse was brown. It was brown color. Okay, the color of horse was brown, and it was the same horse on which Tahsildar was riding. जिस पे कौन बैठ के आए थे? तहसीलदार. इन द विलेज. द गोट वॉज ब्लैक लाइक द गोट ऑफ देयर नेबर्स, एंड द कलर ऑफ द गोट वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक द गोट ऑफ देयर नेबर. The parrot was green like the parrot she had seen in the mango orchard बगीचा. ठीक है? The parrot is also like the parrot that she had seen in the mango orchard. आम के जो बगीचे होते हैं. And the cow was just like their Lakshmi. One was also their cow. So what was there? Horse, parrot, or what? Goat. These things were, the pictures of these things were there. And she was also comparing all the things. Goat को भी compare किया. She also compared Lakshmi, means cow, and she also compared the parrot. Got it? And suddenly Bholi noticed that the teacher was standing by her side, smiling at her. And what did she notice? जब हम teaching कराते हैं class के अंदर, that I am also telling my bad habit. This is, I think, according to you, that if you are looking here and there, not focusing on the study, you are not paying attention toward the study, then I will, I would go near to you and I will rebuke you. आपको धमकाता हूँ, डराता हूँ ना. In that same way, the teacher went there, and she said, "Bholi." She was smiling. Okay. Honestly, I am not smiling when I am doing this thing, but the teacher was smiling. "What is your name, little one?" Then the teacher asked her, "What is your name, little one?" Wo means stammering, aklana, unable to speak, na. Name, little one. Bholi. She could stammer no further than that. Unable to speak. Only she was speaking, but not able to completely. Then she began to cry, and tears flowed from her eyes in a helpless flow. And what happened? Bholi only spoke only 2 words, and she began to cry. She started weeping, and tears were coming like a flood. बाढ़ की तरह आंसू आ गए आंखों में. Okay. She kept her head down as she sat in the corner. उसका सर नीचे हुआ, as she was sitting in the corner, not daring to look up at the girls. She was not having any dare. साहस नहीं था that she could see the girls. The girls, okay, who she knew were still laughing at, and what the girls were doing. Once the teacher asked Bholi, "What is your name?" Then she was unable to give the answer. Then what the children were doing? They were laughing. बच्चे innocent होते हैं, तुम भी हो. उनको पता नहीं होता कि कभी हमें क्या रिएक्ट करना चाहिए. तुम इतने innocent भी नहीं हो, लेकिन I am just telling you. So वो बच्चे उस पर हंस रहे थे. The children were laughing at Bholi. Got it? तुम तो समझदार हो. You can understand the feeling of other people. But they were laughing at Bholi. क्यों? उसकी जो आवाज़ थी. And then the girl was in the tear. रो रही थी बेचारी. When the school bell rang, all the girls secured out of the classroom. जब बाहर निकली girls, जब छुट्टी हुई, when the school was off, but Bholi dare not leave her corner. But Bholi was not able to leave her corner. उसके अंदर dare ही नहीं था. She was not showing any dare to leave her corner. Her head still lowered. उसका सर था, that was lowered. She kept on sobbing. And Shubhakna, she was sobbing. Bholi, the teacher's voice was so soft. The teacher was speaking very softly to the girl. What did she say? Bholi, and sobbing also. In her all life, she had never been called like that. And what did Bholi react? What was the reaction of Bholi? The chapter is saying, I'm not saying, the chapter is saying that she had never, we can say, listened this type of word from the family members. Nobody was loving Bholi in her family. Nobody was taking care of her in her family. Nobody was paying any attention to her. Bholi. She was hungry. She had a hunger for the love. उसको भूख थी प्यार की. उस बच्ची को, they were neglecting the girl. But the teacher was so soft spoken with her. Then what did she say? That call like that it touched her heart. उसने उसके दिल को, heart को, मतलब जो उसका दिल उसको touch किया. Get up, said the teacher. It was not a command, but just a friendly suggestion. When your teacher says to get out from that here, है ना? This is a command, है ना? जैसे मैंने तुम लोगों को explain in direct and indirect. Okay now, in that same way, but that was not the command. The teacher was not commanding, not giving any command. It was only what? Friendly suggestion. Teacher की जो voice थी so soft, and she was so soft with the girl. It was a friendly suggestion. Bholi got up. Bholi खड़ी हो गई. Now tell me your name. What was the question asked by the teacher? Again, sweat broke out over her whole body. Completely, the body becomes, full of sweat. पसीना आ गया. Would her stammering tongue again disgrace her? उसकी क्या सोच रही थी कि उसकी जो हकलाती हुई जीभ जो है जीभ क्या उसको दोबारा शर्मिंदा करेगी? For the sake of this kind woman, however, she decided to make an effort. Actually, Bholi had a good feeling toward the teacher, and she was thinking this is a very kind woman. Then what did she do? She tried to speak. She had such a soothing voice, she would not laugh at her. और उसने सोचा कि इसकी अच्छी voice है. That teacher would not laugh at me. Got it? वो unable to speak. Again she was unable to speak. She began to stammer. Again she began to stammer. Well done. The teacher encouraged her. What the teacher was doing? The teacher was doing the best thing. He was encouraging the girl. She was encouraging the girl. एनकरेज कर रही थी उसको. क्यों? थोड़ा साहस बढ़ाएगी. Well done. Come on now. The full name, please. Come on. Speak the full name. Bholi. And at last the girl succeeded. She succeeded. At last she was able to say it and felt relieved as it was a great achievement. When she spoke the word, she was satisfied, and she was thinking that I have gained a great achievement. That is a great achievement for me that I have completely spoken. Well done. The teacher patted her affectionately. प्यार से उसको थपथपाया and said, put the fear out of your heart and you will be able to speak like everyone else. And see, what did she say? Just don't be fear. Be brave. Don't think about the people. Forget LKK. लोग क्या कहेंगे? And you can speak fluently. One day you can speak fluently. Dear student, I am also telling you that what the people are thinking about you. It is not your duty that you should think about the thing. No, ये उन पे रहने दो. Okay, and you should do your best, but that should be good. Okay, so well done. The teacher patted her affectionately and said, put the fear out of your heart and you will be able to speak like everyone else. Bholi looked up as if to ask, really? Actually, she was not speaking. But Bholi was looking like that. अपनी टीचर की तरफ ऐसे देख रही थी. Really? Because she was not confident. Okay. She was not confident. So, dear students, I am just giving you one or two sentences. Yes, it will be very easy. You just come to school every day. Will you come? Then the teacher asked the girl, that is very easy and you will get success in this. Will you come please? Bholi nodded. Nodded means ऐसने उसने हाँ की. No, say it aloud. Then the teacher again said to her, no, nodded मत करो. Say it aloud. And what did the girl say? And Bholi herself was astonished. When the girl spoke the word, she was also surprised. Astonished means also surprised that she had been able to say it. She said that word. She was also able to say that word. And what did she say? That she had told her complete name. So dear students, I have explained you the chapter, not complete. The complete नहीं हुआ अभी. More is coming also. Tomorrow be ready for the chapter. And these are the word meanings. Got it? You should not them understand. They will be very useful for you. Got it? Understand? I hope you have understood that. Again, I am repeating the same sentences. Any queries, any doubt, your teacher is here. You are welcome. Goodbye.